Hello everyone. Today we will learn about two terms, that is habitat and niche. What is habitat and niche? Let's see. First we will see first term, that is habitat. It is a place where any organism live. Like we can see here that fishes live in oceans. Similarly, many organisms like elephant, tiger, birds, all these organisms live in forest. So forest is their habitat. Similarly, in desert, like camel live in desert. So desert is a place or it is a habitat for camel. Similarly, a grassland. In a grassland, many caterpillars, butterflies, small organisms like rabbit, they live. So, grassland is a habit for rabbit, caterpillar, birds, etc. So, what do you understand by habitat? Habitat is a place where any organism live. Like we can give one more example. We live in our house. So our house is our habitat where we get our food, water, shelter, space. So habitat is a place where any organism or living being live. So, I hope you understand what is habitat. It is a place where any organisms live. It is their home. Now let's see what is niche. Niche is a part of habitat. We have just seen what is habitat. It is a place where an organism or living beings live. It is their house or home. But niche is the role what an organism perform. It is the role of an organism. What is the role of an organism? It includes what they eat, where they live, and what it does. It means what an organism eat, where it lives, and what do they do. This is called niche. We will see this with an example. Now see, I will tell you that this is a whole tree. Okay, in this whole tree, these all three birds are living, but this bird lives in upper part, okay, and this bird live in middle part, and this bird live in lower part. So what does it mean? That the niche of this bird is upper part of the tree, and niche of this bird is middle part of the tree, and niche of this bird is lower part of the tree. But all the three birds acquire same habitat. Habitat means their home, that is this tree. So habitat is the complete tree and niche is the small part where a single organism or any bird live. So hope you have understood that what is difference between habitat and a niche. Like one more example, you can see that in this forest so many organisms are living, like giraffe, tiger, elephant. They all are living in this single forest. So this forest, complete forest, is their habitat. But what is their niche? Niche is this small place where this giraffe is living. They eat from here, they do all their day to day activities here. Like this tiger live in this place, in this forest. The tiger is not living in complete forest. There is a particular area in which this tiger is living. So this complete forest is their habitat, but this is small area where they are doing their daily activities. They are eating, they are sleeping, they do all their works. This is their niche. With one more example, I can tell you that you live in your house. So your house is your habitat, but you all the time don't live in complete area. Like in your house there is a living room, washroom, kitchen, your bedroom, but where do you live most of the time? That is your bedroom, because you most of the activities you do in your bedroom. You love to do all your activities in your bedroom, like you reading, writing, eating, everything you're doing in your room. So your room is your niche and whole house is the habitat. So hope you all have understood that what is habitat and what is niche. So thank you guys, have a nice day, take care, bye bye.